In a world that can't stop talking, silence is the ultimate power move. Think about the most influential people you know. Are they the ones shouting for attention? Or are they the ones sitting in the back, observing everything, and saying almost nothing? Most people think that to be successful, you need to announce your wins. But in the world of dark psychology, your words are your greatest leak. Today, we are diving deep into the shadow strategy. Why moving in silence isn't just a choice, it's a necessity for those who want to win at the highest level. The first reason is biological. The dopamine trap. Science shows that when you tell someone about your big goals, like starting a new business or hitting the gym, your brain receives a premature sense of accomplishment. It releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical, as if you've already achieved the goal. Because you've already felt the win in your head, your motivation to actually do the hard work drops significantly. You become a talker instead of a doer. By keeping your mouth shut, you keep that tension alive, and that tension is the fuel you need to cross the finish line. The second reason is tactical, strategic ambiguity. In the game of life, information is currency. When you reveal your next move, you give people the opportunity to judge you, doubt you, or even subconsciously sabotage you. Not everyone wants to see you win, even those who smile to your face. When you move in silence, you create a shield of unpredictability. Your enemies can't attack what they can't see, and your competitors can't prepare for a move they don't know is coming. Remember, a lion doesn't roar before it hunts. It moves in total deadly silence. Silence also gives you the ultimate advantage, the ability to listen. When you stop talking, you start seeing the world for what it really is. You notice the flaws in other people's arguments, the weaknesses in their plans, and the opportunities they are missing because they are too busy hearing their own voices. By being the neuro shadow in the room, you gather all the intel while revealing none of your own. This isn't just about being quiet, it's about being calculated. So, the next time you feel that urge to brag or share your master plan, stop, take a breath. Keep it in the shadows until it's finished. Let your success be the noise. If you're ready to master your mind and use the laws of psychology to your advantage, you're in the right place. Subscribe to Neuro Shadows and join the silent minority that actually gets things done. Leave a comment below with the word shadow if you've watched until the end. It lets us know who is truly serious about their growth. Until next time, stay focused and move in silence.